Hello guys, in this video we will see Rocket League error fix, connection failed error solved on console. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step will restart network hardware and game content. Begin by power cycling your entire network setup. Turn off your router and unplug them from the power outlet. Wait for at least 2 seconds, then plug them back in and allow them to fully boot up and re-establish an internet connection indicated by stable lights. Next, completely close the Rocket League game application on your PS4 console and then restart the game. For persistent issues, perform a full restart of your PS4 console system itself after the network hardware has reconnected.
Step verify Rocket League server status. Content error frequently indicates a problem with connecting to the game's servers, which could be on Epic Games or Rocket League's. And before proceeding with further troubleshooting, check the official Rocket League or Epic Games server status pages. Look for announcements on their official Twitter accounts, Rocket League, Epic Games status, or dedicated status websites. If there's a widespread outage or maintenance in progress, you will need to wait for the developers to resolve the issue. Step by check game files. Clear console cache content on corrupted game files can prevent proper server connections. Open the Epic Games launcher or Steam. If applicable, navigate to your Rocket League library. Click the 3 dots or gear icon next to the game and select Verify. This process will scan and repair any damaged files on console's PlayStation Xbox. Clearing the system cache can resolve various connection issues. For PlayStation, turn off the console, unplug it for minutes. Then restart. For Xbox, go to Settings, Devices, Connections, Bull Rate, Persistent Storage, and select Clear Persistent Storage.
Step adjust network settings. And firewall content. Incorrect settings can hinder your connection to game servers. Try changing your servers to public ones like Google primary, secondary, or Cloudflare primary, secondary on both your console network settings. Additionally, ensure that your firewall, Windows Defender firewall, or third-party antivirus firewall is not blocking Rocket League. Temporarily disable your firewall for testing purposes. If the game connects, add an exception for Rocket League and its launcher, then enable the firewall.
Step review NAT type and port forwarding content. Your network address translation. NAT type can significantly impact your ability to connect to online games. A strict NAT type can cause connection failures like error. Check your console's ORCS network settings to determine your current NAT type. Ideally, it should be open or moderate. If your NAT type is strict, consider enabling universal plug and play output on your router, if available, or manually forwarding the specific ports required by Rocket League. The essential ports are tap and available access your router's administration page to configure port forwarding and consult your router's manual or is for specific instructions.